Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. I make videos showing how to use DaVinci Resolve so you can make better videos. Today we're going to make a collage out of 3 videos like you saw in the intro. We're going to stay within the edit tab. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring in our 3 videos. You need to have them about the same length. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit Shift Z, and I'm going to bring this one right about 10 seconds. So we'll make it 10 seconds long. We'll bring in our other 2 videos. Bring in this 3rd one. I'm going to unlink these clips so I can delete the audio tracks, backspace. We're going to hit Shift Z so everything fits. We're going to shrink up these other 2 videos so they're 10 seconds as well, like so. We're going to add one more track. Right click, add track. I'm going to highlight these 3 and bump them up 1. Because then we're going to come over here under generators. We're going to bring in a solid color. We're going to stretch that out to match our 10 seconds. I'm going to change that from black to, we'll stick with that teal like we had in the intro. So that's what we have there. We have our 3 videos. These 3 videos are what are going to show. And then this solid color is going to be our background. So what we're going to do now, we're going to click on Open Effects. We're going to come up to our search and just type in video. And you want to bring in this video collage. Drop that right on top of your top track. You should see 4 tiles there. You'll see this FX here, you'll know it take. You'll know it took if you see the 4 tiles. We're going to click on that top one. If you're not already, go to Effects. We're going to change the workflow to create tile. We're going to click on Tiles. Well, first, under Globals, our columns, we're going to make that 3. And our rows is going to be 1. Like so. So you can see we have our first one here already. Now we're going to click that. Now we're going to click on tiles. We want to be on tile 1. Now you can make a lot of changes to this. I'm basically just going to stick to adding a drop shadow. I'm going to bump it up about like so. You can see our drop shadow here, it's added. You can do a lot of other things if you want to. You can add borders. You want to click and add a yellow border, you can do that. And you can animate them, keyframe them, just like you would anything else. You could have it slide in. You can animate the opacity. But I'm just going to stick with the drop shadow. So what we do now is we right click on this top one, we click on copy, we right click on our bottom one, and we paste attributes. Check this box here, make sure they're all checked, click apply. So now what we do, we click on this second one, we go back to our effects tab, we change this active tile to tile 2. That brings in our second video. Now right click on the 3rd one, paste attributes, make sure they're all checked, click apply. Now back to effects, change your tile to tile 3. Now you have your 3 videos. Now we're going to center them a little better. We're going to click on the first one. we're going to go to resize content, and we're going to do pan. Pan it till you get your video about where you want it. I'm going to do the same thing with the second one. Resize content. I'm going to pan him so he's centered. And the same with our third video. We're going to pan. It looks good about there. So that's what you have. Now if we play that back, we have our videos. And it still has to render out yet, so it's not playing the fastest full speed. But that's what you have. We can rewind that, play it back. You have your 3 videos on this here background. And that's all there is to that. Pretty simple videos we've been doing lately. So that's a good way to make a collage. That's it until the next video. We'll see you next time. Please take a moment to like and subscribe.